Hi, this is Bill. So on this demo, I'll be talking about UI policies. And last time we discussed about client scripts, and this is still client-side scripting that we are about to discuss. And the UI policies basically, it's also a platform capability, as you can see. I've typed into the top left, and it's under system. So system UI, and now we are on UI policies. And as you already know that ServiceNow is always platform centric, module centric, right? So if we put like incident module as an example, so it will have all the UI policies under the incident module. Now, if we create a new one as an example to give you a better picture how it works. So basically, UI policies rules is basically runs after the client script, right? So the client script demoed previously runs first. After that is being executed, then UI policies will be initiated. So I'll give you an example of that so you could have a clear understanding of the behavior. So let us start with, of course, on the module. So it's incident module. So just a recap that we are basically um, managing or manipulating the document object model. So JavaScript codes and languages will be happening as you initiate and alongside with ServiceNow scripts and objects. So let's have a sample description, right? So by practice, once you create something for production, right? So the short description should align to the purpose of the function, right? So when to apply, so this is where it differs, right? So UI policies will have conditions, right? So if there's conditions, it's either a true or false condition, right? So let us just make it simple, right? So in every form record of incident, if it's active, is true, then it will run the script, right? So basically, this will only happen if you are in the advanced mode. So let me save this one to give you a picture of how it works in the ServiceNow UI policies. So now what you see here is this is the capability of a no-code platform, right? So what it's saying is if active is true, right, and on this onload event, then this UI policy will happen, right? So what does that mean? So let's create new, right? So this is a no-code approach. Then right after, I'll show you the more advanced, which is scripting, right? So let's go to the field name. And as you already know, this is like dot walking, right? Where ServiceNow has a capability from one to many relationship, right? So you have under the incident record, right? You could basically move to different nested relationships, right? So, but let's make it simple, right? So what's going to happen? Let's say assign to is mandatory, right? To true, right? Or depending on your business process that you're trying to solve. So let's save it, right? And as we save that, right? So that's self-explanatory. So as you can see, ServiceNow is already helping us, right, of their run order. So let's go back and fix that. And as we basically update, right? So let's make it to, let's say 150, but let's ignore that for now. And so what's going to happen if this condition is true, then it will make the assign to mandatory, right? So if you see there is a limitation of the UI policy actions no code, right? That is when you now apply with the script view, right? So scripting. So basically to navigate to the scripting, you need to be an advanced view. So right now I'm in advanced view. If you go to default view, the script tab will be hidden automatically, right? So now let's move forward and run the script. So as you can see, right? So if the condition is true, right, then this will happen. Then if the condition is false, right, then this script is going to happen. So what I would like to prove to you is after the client script has run, then the UI policy script will be into action. So you have to be careful on the execution, right? You need to understand the behavior of the ServiceNow platform. So as you do your scripts, you do your development in ServiceNow, right? You know how to fix it, right? And you know what to apply depending on your business process that you're trying to solve. Now, since last time we already showed you how the JavaScript um, objects is basically happening and ServiceNow objects, right? So I will make it simple as possible and do an alert, right? So basically, let's say this is an onload action after client script. So this will be UI policy. So you will see the hierarchy of the load unload of the script. So let us now save this one. And upon saving, right? So because we are on the execute is true, then basically both of our activities or rules will take effect, right? So we have the no code action, right? And also the script feature that we have both implemented, right? So as we navigate, so we're basically mandatory is true. The visibility in read only is left alone, right? And now let's move forward and test it inside the incident record. And now as you see that is loaded, right? And this was the record that we have created earlier under client scripts, right? And now when we press OK, and you will see the UI policy script has been loaded. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.